right there. Oh, oh. What is going on, guys? Today I'm back with another arcade video. So I'm here at the Great Big Midway, the one in Niagara Falls. I'm here right now and I'm gonna take you guys on a journey. I'm gonna play some arcade games, show you guys some tips, and I'm gonna add in a clip that happened here. It was absolutely insane, guys. There was actual birds flying inside this midway right here, which was insane. Guys, it was so crazy. There was 2 little birds flying. I don't think anyone ever captured something like this in an arcade video, but maybe I'm the first. I don't know, don't get me wrong. But guys, please go down there, smash the thumbs up, comment what your thoughts about it, how the birds got in there, how they left. I don't know, guys. I'm so confused. I'm speechless. I never seen something like that before. But guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we get started, make sure to follow all my social medias. I'll give you guys a few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. I also do have a PO box. Make sure to send me stuff if you want to be in my fan mail unboxing video. But guys, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so right now I'm just gonna have some fun playing normal arcade game, Space Invaders, right here. So I'm gonna play it and see if I can get a high score of the day.
The high score so far is 466,000.
466,000?
Yee.
Okay, this one's 4 tokens.
I think you should get a 500,000 one. You have to protect your cannons. Oh snap! It was like vibrating too. Go for the big ones, UFO. Yo, there's so much to record. There's so much on the screen. Get the bomb, get the bomb. Get it, the B. Get that block, get the block. What is that block? Oh snap, what is happening? There's so much on the screen. I have to stand back here. No, the bottom. Ah, they ate it up, you lost. 14,000, no, 14,000.
14,000?
Total points, yeah.
And the high score is 400?
Yeah, 460,000.
No. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna play with 2 players. I have no clue how that happened. So now we're just gonna go play normal arcade games, the ones we can win tickets. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna try to play this one right here. I just have to move this around and try to get the token through.
Into the bonus?
Yeah?
Oh, that was close. Oh, now it's blocking it. Have fun. It's not gonna go anymore. You blocked it.
Yeah, I blocked it. I messed it up.
This is hard.
Why are my tokens getting stuck? What is this?
Oh look, if you get at the bottom one, you get 500, and that one's 100. Look at the bottom, the ice brick.
I think it moves up or something.
Maybe?
Oh! Okay, this is not a good game.
It's a bad game.
I want a bunch of tickets though.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go to a game that gives more tickets.
Okay.
You know what? I want to go to my favorite game, Pink Panther. Let's go to Pink Panther.
It's right here. Game is so fun.
Game? Best game.
Escape 100 floors. Yeah, Pink Panther Jewel Heist.
Gently laser the arms will slow you down. Keep going.
Oh.
Doing great.
Go down.
You're halfway there.
Where are you going? Go. 15th floor, you're almost there. No.
The
The dog.
dog. I'll try one more.
Down. Right. Down. Oh.
Yeah, I don't know why there's so many dogs.
Oh, in the middle. Oh. Right here, wrong way. No, wrong way. Why'd you go that way? Why'd you go? You should drop right there. Let me try. I'm professional. Go right here.
I got this, Ahmed. I'm gonna get jackpot right now.
You now. Keep going.
Down, down, down. Okay, good, good. No. Let go. Let go. No, why is the dog right there?
Oh my god. Why? So bad. Scrubs are so bad, guys. But how? What are the chances we get stuck at the 11th floor twice in a row? How? I swear, they put the dog on there on purpose. Now let's go play maybe some blackjack right here. Let's try the blackjack. Okay, 1 token.
4.
Oh, we got a 4. Let's continue. Continue.
Jack of hearts.
We have 14. We're gonna continue.
King of hearts.
22. Bust. We just busted. That was close. Okay, let's try it again.
7 of spades.
Continue.
3 clubs.
10. Continue. Come on, let's get 11 now.
10 of hearts.
20.
Gotta cash that out.
Collect
Cash out.
tickets.
Game over.
So pretty much the whole objective of this game of getting 21. We still got tickets. Let's go. 1 token left.
One. Play this right here.
I'm gonna try this game right here.
Broken.
Doesn't even work. Hello?
Let me shake this.
Doesn't even work. We just used our last token on something that doesn't even work.
Look how dusty it is.
Hasn't been working in a while. Guys, there's birds in here. That's 2 real birds.
Hard to get in here.
Oh my god, they're flying in the arcade. Guys, there's 2 birds in the arcade right now, look. There's 2 birds, man, look, they're flying. Guys, there's legit 2 birds right here, look at
Yo, why is the bird in the arcade?
Man, how did they get in here? How did they get in here? Look at guys, it's a bird. Did they just keep them in here or what?
Yo, why are the birds in the arcade? Why? Where are you going?
Oh my god, they're literally
Where
flying.
are they going?
They're right there, look, the 2 birds. Guys, this is crazy. There's birds in the arcade. I swear this could be a video by itself. Guys, look. 2 birds. 2 birds in the arcade. 2 birds. Ah! Guys, 2 birds. No. Okay guys, we're gonna stop following the birds. We're just gonna let them be. I guess even birds like arcades. That's absolutely insane. Look, they're still right there. Man, at first I thought it was 2 mice, eh? Look, they're literally right there, look. Guys, that's actually insane. I think this is the clickbait for the vlog. I was literally doing life hacks and all this stuff, and there's 2 birds in the arcade. Look, they're still right there. Oh! Oh! They snapped. Guys, they just flew right over my head. No. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's insanity. I don't think anyone ever captured something like that on camera. Guys, it's absolutely insane how there's just birds in here. It was crazy. There's literally 2 birds walking around. I don't even know where they came from. Like, the entrance is way over there, but there's glass. Like, there's glass there, so I don't know how the 2 birds got in here. They literally stayed in here, but I'm pretty sure they left now. They're gone, but it's still crazy how I saw 2 birds in the arcade we're both like, what the heck has happened? Two birds are in the arcade. Good thing there wasn't kids here, so no one got hurt. But anyway, guys, I think that is the video. Let me know your opinion about birds being in the arcade. You think birds like to play arcades too? I don't know. Let me know down below, guys. Let me know if you like the arcade videos. You already know how it is. But anyway, guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And